Hello kids, how are you? So today we have a lesson about subject personal pronouns. Parliamo dei pronomi personali. Soggetto. Ooh. No, don't worry. This isn't difficult at all. Let's go. Let me see. Here it is. Ok, singular pronouns, innanzitutto quelli che sono singular, singolari. The first person. I. Can you repeat? I. Then you. Repeat. You. Yes, you. And then let's see the others. Always singular, sempre singolari. The third person, la terza persona. But they are three, sono tre. Oh yes, because we have he, lui, she, lei, and it. We can use it for animals or for objects, okay? Now, he, she, it. Do you remember? I, you, he, she, and, for example, it. Okay, now let's see the next ones. They are plural. Okay, the plural pronouns. We have we. When we are together, quando siamo insieme, we, noi. And you, voi. But if I talk about those other people, parlo di quelle altre persone là, for example, oppure those animals, quegli animali, those objects, quegli oggetti, we use they, che vuol dire essi, oppure anche loro, you can say in Italian, okay? Now, I, repeat. You, he, lui, she, lei, it, an animal or an object, and then we have we, you, voi, and they, loro. Okay, do you remember them? Tornano in mente? Okay. And here they are in a chart, in una tabella. Okay, you can see it. It's also written in Italian this time. Ve l'ho messo anche in italiano. Only for this time. Solo questa volta. And we have a new friend here. Hello. Hello. And what is a pronoun? Adesso diciamocelo cosa sono. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. È una parola usata al posto di un nome, of a noun. So, let's try to use them. Usiamoli allora, ok? Substitute a which noun. Oh, questi pazzi cosa stanno facendo qui? Hey, hello, what are you doing? Now, please be quiet. Non fate rumore voi, eh? Minions, stay there. A dog? Cosa direste voi al posto? Oh no, sorry. Let's go back. Al posto di a dog, cosa metteremmo? It is an animal and it is singular, a singolare. We can put here it. A family. È vero, in una family there are more than one people, più di una persona, but se parlo di una family, it is one family. E qua metterei it again, ancora it. It is my family, for example. A book, cosa metteremmo? Always it, because it's an object. Now pay attention. Children. Are they singular or plural? Children, pay attention. Children vuol dire bambini. The singular is child. Quindi qua cosa posso mettere? They. Ok, let's go on. Finora ci siete? I hope so. Now, a rose, it is an object. Cosa mettiamo? It. A girl, una ragazza. She, of course. Mentre a boy, he. And students, we can put they, okay? Because it's plural. È plurale, parlo dei loro. So they are students, for example. Loro sono studenti. Very good. Now there is another exercise for you. Change these sentences. Cambia queste frasi. Example. My father is tall. Al posto di my father posso mettere lui. Giusto? Oh, yes, of course. He is tall, right? This ball is small. Isn't it an object? Non è un oggetto? What shall I write here? It is small. This rose is red. Is red. Okay? And then again, my father is a farmer, un contadino. Questa volta cosa metto? My father, parlo di lui. He is a farmer. My mother is 30. 30, ha 30 anni. She's very young, è giovane. So, she is 30. And Asta is my dog. Okay, now there is one thing I have to tell you. Vi devo dire una cosa about the dogs. If they are your pets, sono i vostri animali di casa, they are part of your family, allora in quel caso comunque voi potrete usare he or she for your animals at home. But in general, let's say we use it for an animal. It is my dog. Okay? Now, good job. Yes, that's a good job. But you will practice a little bit because I will give you some exercise to do at home on this topic. Su questo argomento avrete some exercises to do. And this time I will also post a storytelling for you. So vi darò anche una story that you can listen and watch, and then you will have the text for practicing your reading. Okay? Now, this is everything for now, and I send you a big kiss, okay, un grosso bacio, and a big hug to you, anche un grosso abbraccio. I'll see you the next. Bye! Ciao!